Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and do some extra footage on this program. Let's run it to see what we saw. So this is the output of the main program as we call through the, um, the external functions. And one thing I want to note is if we change value right here, take a look at this. The value is the same memory address for the whole way down. The integer inside changes value, but the memory address never actually changes. So I was mistaken about that. When you do this dereference operator, and then you manipulate it, all you're doing is you're manipulating this thing up here, the the just a regular integer variable, I guess you can say, is what you're manipulating, but you're not touching the memory address at all. And if we were to have touched the memory address, it would have been manipulating some other different number, not the same number the whole way down. Otherwise, it wouldn't have remembered 20, it being 20 and then times 3 would be 60. It might have been some other number like 10 or something like that. Also, these functions are quite unnecessary. You actually don't even need to do that. This output, as you configured, you can simply do something like this. Actually, just that. And if you run it, you'll get 20. Let me do an end line to make it a little neater. You'll get 20 either way, just like that. This just kind of compartmentalizes the string right here, so you don't have to type that out all the time. And then likewise with compute PTR, where you just multiply by 3, that's not even necessary. You can just do something like this, because we're just going to call the pointer again, dereference it, and times it by 3. You have to dereference it because you don't want to multiply a memory address. You want to multiply the value inside the memory address. Okay, that wasn't supposed to do that. Let's try that. Oh, we didn't see out it. That's why we didn't see out. 60. Right there. There we go. So we got 60 as we were manipulating that. And this doesn't seem to register the value from what we did up there. Perhaps it's because we're passing. I'm not sure why it's not seeing it as 60. That is really bizarre. We multiplied it by 3. Nope, it's really saying 20. Huh. What is it doing? Might have to do a step into for this. 5 plus 15, 20. What if we call it again? No. Maybe this is contained into that. maybe that could be the reason why. Let's see. If we do something like this. It outputs 20. So it's not recognizing it's not acknowledging our multiplication there. Oh, I think it's because of the syntax. Yep, it was a syntax error issue. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, you gotta watch the syntax and then it'll output it like that, and you really don't have to worry about that. Because the asterisk will dereference it into this variable, and then you'll have to output it into dereference state again. Otherwise, you're just gonna get the memory address like that, but it's consistent all the way. Okay, yeah.